Good morning children. Today we will discuss place value and face value. Okay. We will explain with one example. 5073. See here 5073. 3 is in ones position, 7 is in tens position, 0 hundreds position, 5 is thousands position. Okay. See what happens here. See here, from right side to the left side, from ones position to the thousands position, 3 ones 3, 3 ones is 3, 7 tens 70, 0 hundreds 0, 5 thousands 5000. So, 5000 plus 0 plus 70 plus 3, it gives the expanded form of the number. The place value of 5 is here 5000. The face value of 5 is 5 only, the same number. Here I want to tell you one example. If you stand in front of a mirror, what can you see? You can see your image, the same image. Okay. Like that only, face value of a number is always the same number. Face value means you remember the mirror, it gives the same, it gives your image. Like that, face value of a number is always the same number. Okay. We will take another example here. Okay. Here 4 is in ones position, tens position also 4, hundreds 4, thousands also it is 4 only. Okay. Then if we expand this, 4 ones, 4 ones, 4 tens, 4 hundreds, 4 thousands, then it becomes 4000 plus 400 plus 40 plus 4. The same number, the same digit is in every position. If we make a table of this, you can get it clearly. See place value, face value. Ones position 4. The 4 is here, but its place value 4. In tens position 4 only, but its value place value is 40. In hundreds position, its value is 400. In thousands position, its value is 4000. Understood? Okay. But whereas the face value, FACE face value, it is same in all the positions. I told you now, it is the same number wherever it may, whatever its position may be, its value is same always. What we can conclude, a number can have different place value, but it always have the same face value. It is clearly shown in this example. Okay. A number can have different place values, but it always have the same face value. Let us take one more example. 7526. 6 ones position, 2 tens position, 5 hundreds position, 7 thousands position. See here. 6 ones. Okay. 2 tens, 5 hundreds, 7 thousands. Place value, face value. 6 ones, here place value of 6 is 6 only. 2 tens, place value 20. 5 hundreds, place value 500. 7000, place value 7000. Whereas its face value is, face value of 6 is 6, 2 is 2. 5 is 5, 7 is 7. I told you now, like a mirror, it is the same digit. Next, we will do this question. Here ABC questions are here. The place value of 7 in 7890 is 7890, whether we have to state true or false. First identify 7 is in which position? 7 is in thousands position. So, 7 into 1000, 7 is in thousands position, 7 into 1000, what it becomes? 7000 is the correct answer, but what is here? 7890. So, it is false. Next, B question. The place value of 0 in 7092 is 100. We will find out. 0 is in hundreds position. It is in hundreds position. Okay. So, 0 multiplied by 100, it gives 0 only, but it is written here 100. So, it is false. See the last one. The place value of 2 in 2654 is 2000. We will find out. 2 is in thousands position here. So, 2 multiplied by 1000, 2000. It is correct here. So, 2000 only, no, it is correct. So, it is true. The statement is true. Okay, children. Thank you.